I'm Johnny Scoville, and this is Chase the Heat. Gonna have some fun today. I'm gonna ride for a little bit. Gonna talk. A good time should be had by all. I have no idea what I'm gonna talk about. I'm only gonna do 30 minutes. Before I do, I'm gonna do this. A drop. A seriously hot tincture, orange tincture. This is vintage, 5 months. This is from Tom Broom. It's made with Big Peach Mamas. Tom Broom makes the best tinctures. He does things that he'll have these aged tinctures. I can't see go in my mouth, but trust me, you guys know me. Amazing flavor. Wicked hot though. Hot. Thank you, Tom Broom. Tom Broom made the tincture that I did in Super Hot in episode 1, where I burned up the mighty mustache. That was Tom Broom's. I had that. I had it with me at Fiery Food. Burned up a bunch of great people. It was super fun. I have some videos from that Tommy's son, Spanx, recorded, and I'm going to be uploading. I have like 20 of them, so it should be fun. I have to see how many of them I can upload and how many need editing. But brought to you by ES Power Drink. Kind of something exciting coming from ES Power Drink. It's sort of a surprise. I don't want to talk about it yet, but boy, you guys are gonna love it. We're gonna do a ES Power Drink. By the way, has Trinidad Maruga Scorpion in it. How cool is that? Okay, let's do a 30-minute ride. Where did I go that was just nothing but hill? Was that France? I feel like punishing myself today. Yeah. Pretty sure it's this one. All right. Okay, I am in France. Okay. This is the one. This is all hill. All right, so my mouth is burning. Tom Broom's a great guy. He is responsible for some cramps this past weekend. I don't know who that is, but I can't take their call. So, quick adjustment here, people. Sorry about that. A friend of mine said, "You need biking shorts, dude." When I used to do the long distance, like 50 milers, 100 milers, 120 milers, I had biking shorts, but I don't have any now. This is all hill. Pretty though, pretty countryside and beautiful buildings, and man, it looks so real. It's incredible. Hey, you know what? Have I done this before? See what I'm talking about? It's so real looking. So that's the mountains of France. So, I had such a fun time at Fiery Foods. It was really fun burning people up. Such a good time. What I'm really psyched about coming up though is the meet and greet we're doing this weekend. It's going to be Sunday at Thunder Bacon Burger. Super stoked about that. Lindy, if you listen, Fiery Foods, dude's a legend here. Very nice guy too. I don't know exactly what time it's going to be on Sunday, but there's been a number of people. If you're able to come out, please let me know in the comment section if you're going to be there. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bike every day. But I'm only going to upload these videos every other day. And every other day I'm going to work on the other machine I have, which is the Yasul gravity trainer. And I really, really like that one. My brother's funny. Today I was driving with him. He said he's used the machine, that trainer, the gravity trainer, and he said, I know how you are. You're going to look like Bruce Lee in 6 months. I just want to look like this in Australia. Beautiful countryside, but boy, it is a hill. It's what a great machine though. It really hurts, like my upper body, my arms, in here, right in here, and in here. Hurts so, and my shoulders. It's all right. Just what a workout I got on that thing. ES Power Drink. We got something so cool coming from them soon. You know, you guys are gonna love it. I almost want to tell you about it, but I'm gonna wait. Oh, is that good? Citrus, super bright, crisp flavor with this little Trinidad Maruga scorpion bite to it. I'm cramping in my stomach. I can't be cramping from I had like a couple drops of that tincture. I can't be cramping from that. I know that I'm getting, it's funny, I saw Foy, he's like, man, you could tell I've been working out, which is cool. It's a good feeling, you know. I can tell because clothes fit better, but I'm not a dude who stands in front of a mirror a lot. As little as possible. All right, so we're going to do a 30-minute workout, and this is a workout. I'm almost halfway through. I'm at another 30 seconds, and I'll be 15 minutes into this 30-minute ride. I've only gone 2.2 miles. Feels brittle. good time to talk about this. This is something I want everybody to do if you can. Make sure you're subscribed. I had somebody that, Jennifer Lemke, she has subscribed to this channel 5 times. Keeps unsubscribing her. So, please do me a favor. A lot of you don't, you may not have notifications on, or you just swing by when you're on YouTube, and that's all great. But just make sure you're subscribed. If you haven't, hit the little pepper right here, right now, or you can wait to the very end of the video. Become a follower of the channel. Just make sure you're subscribed. Oh man. So I've tell you what, hang on. You ready? I am halfway through this ride. Right now. And I've gone 2.7 miles. It's just a wicked hill. So there were several people who got one of these bikes. I don't think the promo code Johnny works for this anymore. You can try it if you want to buy one. But even if you don't want to use the promo code, it's still only $499. Man, is it worth it. It's an amazing machine. It just really is. It's built well. I put a lot of miles on it already. It's helped me lose pretty close to 12 pounds. I feel better. I'm sleeping better. Getting the suntan. So, and if you compare the price of this to a Peloton or what's the other one? Peloton or the Track, they're $1,500. This is $499, even if you don't use the promo code. Right now, it's $499, but if you use the promo code Johnny, it works. I'm not sure if it will. It's been over a month, but if it still works, you'll save $100. Oh, it's a pretty view. Interesting noise. So great seeing so many friends there at the show. People that watch the channel, people that I've been vendors with at events. There's people I knew. Tons of people who watched Super Hot. It was just a really amazing event. Not gonna lie, I had my head spinning a little bit. But what a great, what a great venue. I have done shows all over the world, but that's, number one, when you get out of your bed, when you're done sleeping, you go downstairs, you can have breakfast right there, you walk 100 feet, you're in the event. So as a vendor, it's amazing. And when you wake up, you have the most beautiful view. It's really a stunning place for a chili festival. Can't wait to go back. The Sandia Resort, everybody from there. Big shout out to the general manager. He's one of the nicest guys. Everybody there was super, super nice. They treated me like a king. It was just spectacular. Okay, now let me have some more. But my ES power drink. Wow. he's so good. Every time I finish one, it's not like I can drink like 6 of them a day, you know. One every a week is good for you as far as building a tolerance, you know. But the first thing I think of when it's empty is, I start thinking, I'm gonna do one tomorrow. I'm thinking, when can I drink another one? Guess how many I have left? I got some more. I have one left. 4 miles, a little over 4.1. If you go on the USUL website, USUL, check out that gravity trainer. I think it's like $199. It's just like this. I don't know how they can do it. One of the coolest machines. I'm stoked about it. You wait. Tommy's right. You give me 6 months working on that thing, forget about it. You know why? Because it's fun for me. And I'm a lunatic. I don't do anything halfway. I almost got Tommy convinced about the wingsuit. Everybody's like, tell me not to do it. Tommy, like, yeah. He said the reason is that he knows me and that before you know it, I'll be doing the proximity stuff where we're hugging like mountain ravines. But here's the deal, and I'm being honest with you, it's not the goal. I just want to be, I know there's a feeling of control when you're skydiving, when you're falling. And I just know I'd be good at it. So anyway, I found this really cool video of 2 people wingsuiting nowhere near a mountain, nowhere near a hillside or a bridge or anything else that you can hit it. And they're just having fun, flipping over. Oh, man, I made them watch it. I said, there, tell me you didn't change your mind a bit. I'm working on it. Well, you'll see us do that at some point. You know why? Because we've done everything else. Skydiving is an amazing feeling. It really is. You'll hear people say that there are 2 kinds of people that jump out of a plane or people that won't. The people that should jump out of the plane are the ones that check off the box that say, I would never do that. To me, it's beautiful that we have the opportunity to try it if you want. But having done it, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. But I think, I don't know, like conquering your fears. It really wasn't that, you know, I've said this before, but I'm not sure if people believe me. I'm scared of heights, but I'm far more scared of 100 or 200 feet than I am 15,000. Once you get up that high, it's like it doesn't seem real. And you kind of go into shock, and and having done it, like the first time we ever did it, Tommy and I did it like a long time ago. Decades ago. Probably 20 years before I started the channel. A girl named Christy. We knew a girl named Christy. Tom and I worked together. One day she comes into our office and she says, puts in this video. It was a VCR. That's how long ago it was. A tape. And it was her, and she was like 5 feet tall. She's wearing a jumpsuit in this video. I'm like, jumpsuit. Skydive, one piece number. Next thing you know, she's in a plane. Next thing you know, she's jumping out of it. Pulls a parachute, opens up. Video's over. I said, wow, Chris, I couldn't believe it. I can't believe that you did that. She goes, would you do it? And I went, yeah, of course I do it. She was good. You're going this weekend. My dad owns the drop zone. So Tommy worked with me. I hit the intercom. She was in my office. I said, Tommy, what are you doing this weekend? He goes, nothing. I said, you want to jump out of an airplane? He goes, yeah, for sure. I said, good, we're going to jump this weekend. And I said, come in here, you guys see this video. Then I messaged Pete, who was the owner of the company we worked for. I said, Pete, Tommy and I are jumping out of an airplane this weekend. You want to go? He goes, I'm in. So that weekend we went. All true. I swear it's a true story. But that's good because I only have 5 minutes left to tell you. So we get there. We drive down in Pete's Mustang. Me, Tommy, and Pete. Now this isn't the tandem thing that I've done for the channel both times. This is a program. That's the tandem program. This is something called the AFF program, which stands for Accelerated Freefall. You go through a class for the day, and weather permitting, you jump. And there's a few requirements that you need to do in the first jump to show that you have your act together and to clear yourself for the level 2. There's 10 different levels before you can get your license to skydive by yourself. So this was level 1. So essentially what happens is you jump out and at 5,000 feet, you do this. So they know, and hopefully you've accomplished all the things you're supposed to do, but at 500 feet, they let go of you, they track away, and you're on your own. So we went together and we drew straws to see who was going to go first, second and third. Shortest straw went first, medium straw went second, long straw went last. Everybody wanted to go first because nobody wanted to be the second one. Nope. Everybody wanted to get out of the way, and I won. So it was crazy. It was fun. But that was the first 2 times. So Tommy and I are going to do that again. But I remember the very first time we did it, it was just the most amazing feeling. He and I, we didn't sleep for 2 days. It was just like you get so high from it. It was amazing. I remember thinking, if you think there's like, I don't know, 7 billion people on the planet at the time, that's why I remember thinking this. While this is happening, while I'm skydiving, I remember thinking, it's got to be like 99.9999999% of the people have their feet on the ground or on some hard surface, like a floorboard of a car, a bus, a plane, something. But I'm falling, free falling. There's nothing touching me for like a minute. I remember thinking that. I know Tommy really enjoyed that feeling of free fall. So we're going to do it again. I don't know what we're going to do. I wish we could. I don't know, we'll figure something good out. All right, so I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. I've gone 6.5 miles. My eyes are burning. Excuse me. I have so much capsaicin in my system from this past weekend that my sweat is burning. It's not like normal sweat. Trust me. Oh, wow. Whew, that burns. All right, I got 1 minute and 40 seconds. So I'm at 6.7 miles. I wonder if I can get to 7. Oh, the hill got steeper. Oh, this is the 30-minute run. That's why the hill got steeper. They know this is the end, so they're making it hard. Oh, jeez, that's why they did that. Oh, I got 7 miles. I have 53 seconds left. Oh, and this one's a bummer too, because you can see how long this. Usually they're short, little straightaways with then a turn. This is a super long straightaway. Oh, it sucks. I can see it. Sorry. 10 seconds. Oh, now it gets easier. Oh, you know what? You're rotten. Right at the end there, it's getting easier. The last 10 seconds. Yeah, that's not by accident. Now it's, you know what? Whatever, dudes. My eyes. All right, that was fun. 7 point something miles. So let's, I know. Ah, it's in my eyes again. It's amazing how much that stings. Listen, I've been an athlete my whole life, right? So, yeah, sweat always is gonna sting you because you're salting and it's, you know, it's the way sweat is. But this is like getting bear sprayed. Okay, so I'll have some shots from the show I'll be uploading soon, today probably. Whew, give me just a second. I'm gonna take my shirt off and get my reward. Alright, hang on, let me adjust this. Never seem to adjust it right. We'll see. If I got it right this time. I came up with the right spot. I didn't adjust the camera right. That's right, it is what it is. So this is the road to me becoming a machine again. There, that's better. It's a C-130 transport plane. Anyway, I'm on the road to getting in shape again. When I started the channel, I was in really great shape. So I'm gonna get back to there. This weekend, again, I'm gonna remind everybody this weekend, Thunder Bacon Burger. Tommy and I and Spanx will be there doing a meet and greet. We're gonna have a bunch of products from Blazing Foods that we're gonna have as well. So please come out and say hi. It's gonna be on Sunday. I'm not exactly sure of the day. It's going to be either 12 or 1, okay? That's the time it's going to start. It's going to be 2 or 3 hours. Excuse me. Really looking forward to it. So if you're able to come out in the comment section, let me know, because we can't wait. In the description box, you're going to see a link for ES Power Drink. You'll see Yasul too. I don't know if the code Johnny works anymore. A bunch of people used it, but and try either way for $4.99. It's an amazing thing. And the gravity trainer, I have a gym in my backyard. It's amazing. So see all that stuff in the description box. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't, please. Thank you to everybody that came over from Super Hot. Right there is Johnny Scoville Jr., my son, to chip off the old block. Has a YouTube channel, and guess what he does? No, I know you won't believe it, but he does. He's in the chili game. And he's great. He's fun as can be to watch, and he's a good kid. So please go check him out and subscribe if you haven't. Tommy Scoville there, the lifeboat, my brother. Please check his channel out right here. All the challenges I've ever done. Pepperology here. That's really good stuff for brand new people who just come over from Super Hot and just like are pumped up. This is going to be their first year of eating Super Hots. There you go. Who's coming to see me? I'm Johnny Scoville, and this was Chase the Heat.